Look, Mansory is an acquired taste, and this should be no surprise. Its modified exotics are always polarizing, often borderline distasteful, but they're never boring. So when the Mansory Venatus Coupe Evo C tickled our eyeballs, we had two almost contradictory reactions. The first, did somebody drive a Dodge Caliber through a fence factory? Second, a new Urus coupe is a great idea. Let's start with the great. One does not simply bondo over a rear door and then ask an indeterminate but certainly in the range of six-figure price for the privilege. Mansory did some significant surgery on the body shell, cutting and relocating the B-pillar rearward by nearly 8 inches, and then stretching the front doors by the same amount. Then the body is widened, with flares and extensions welded on. A massive air duct, which leads, perhaps, nowhere, since the engine's up front, gives the side a bit of swollen Huracan flavor. Up front, it seems that Gillette was involved in the design of the angular, multi-bladed front fascia. The ducts have wings which themselves have sub-wings. There even appears to be a nose splitter. It's busy, but there's a strong sense of adventure and risk to the thing, particularly for any pedestrians crossing in front of this food processor of an SUV. There's no respite from slicing in the back, either, because if this Mansory backs into you, the diffuser is going to divide you vertically and the dual rear wings are going to take a little off the top. The blender under the hood is cranked up to 10, at least. Mansory's tune on this vehicle bumps power to 900 ponies and a stonking 811 pounds-to-foot of torque, providing a claimed sprint to 62 miles per hour of just 2.9 seconds. All the dinosaur vapor emerges from triple exhaust pipes. And inside, don't even get us started. 2 words, Smurf leather. Mansory will only be making 8 of these things, and while it's easy to dunk on Mansory's success in general, these will make 8 somebody's very happy. After all, the Venatus Evo C project was initiated in response to customer requests, the company says. And, as we said earlier, a 2-door Urus, wild cosmetic additions or no, is undoubtedly a better Urus. This is a sport utility where the sport outweighs the utility by a massive factor, so why not add some whimsy and outrageousness to the mix?